The Mini X2 is the latest vacuum from V-TUF, and it's built to tackle the dustiest of environments and the toughest of cleanups. But I don't do any DIY. So let's look at this from another angle. Today I'm going to show you the key features that a proper bloke would look for in a vacuum cleaner. Also, I'm going to do my very own dirt test up against Henry, and then stick around because there's loads to love about this vacuum cleaner, but I'm just not sure about one thing. So let's look at this. Now the first thing you'll notice, because you can't miss it, is its bright yellow extra long hose, which I'll talk about more later. Also, equally as bright is its extra long 12-meter cable. It comes with M-Class filtration, which means the tiniest, nastiest dust doesn't re-enter the air that you breathe in. And talking of filters, it even has a filter shaker. Probably the coolest feature of this vacuum. When your filter gets dusty, you press this button, it shakes itself and vibrates all the dust off. It comes with 5 bags, and you don't have to guess when they are full or if the filter is dirty, because it has this indicator on. When it turns red, you need to empty your bag or clean your filter. The tools look pretty tough too. That comes with the combination floor tool for your carpets, the hard floor tool for hard floors, and obviously all your little dusting brushes and things like that. The crevice tool is really good on this. It's quite big, but still thin. And then also, it comes with this yellow adapter. Now that attaches your tools to your hose, but it also fits stuff like sanders too. I'll talk more about what I love and what I don't love in just a minute. But first, we have a 60-second challenge to see if this V-TUF lives up to my favourite car vacuum, Henry. And they're off, with Henry on the left and the V-TUF on the right. Now listen, if you want to pick up one of these vacuum cleaners, just go to the link in the description and I'll put it in the comments, and you can use the discount voucher on screen now to get 10% off anything on the website. In case you're wondering too, no, I've not been doing DIY. This is cherry carpet freshener and some sawdust. And there we have it. Now I think that was a tie, but I'll let you lot argue amongst yourselves in the comments. This 800-watt vacuum definitely has some suction. And that leads me on nicely to the things I love about this vacuum cleaner. Now firstly, how can we forget the filter shaker? How cool is this? It means your filter's not getting blocked, you're not losing suction, and you don't even have to take the thing apart. Secondly, I love just how well built this thing is. I love the look of it, I love how tough it is, and it's made of metal, but it's really lightweight. It only weighs something like 5 kilograms. The tools are great, the suction's great, and honestly, if I was a tradesman, this is definitely a model I would be looking at. But I'm not a tradesman, and I've just been using it around the house, and I found one thing that niggles me just a little bit, and that's the hose. Now, when you're doing the stairs or you're doing the car, it's great that this hose is stretchy. And I imagine if you've got a sander in your hand and you've got it attached to that, it is a godsend. But for me, doing my normal housework with this vacuum cleaner, when I want to pull the vacuum cleaner along to the next room, it becomes a bit of a game. The hose just keeps on stretching and the vacuum cleaner struggles to move. And that's the only niggly thing that I've found wrong for my personal use with this vacuum cleaner. And that just comes with having a stretchy hose. They're great for some stuff, not so great for others. Now, in keeping with my channel, there's one thing we always like to know. Are these vacuum cleaners repairable if ever they go wrong? And there's some good news. V-TUF offer all the replacement parts, including the motors, for their vacuum cleaners. So if you buy one of these and it goes wrong in a few years, you can still repair it. Now, if you're not a tradesman and you're looking for a cheap vacuum, this next video is going to be right up your street.